Hi, Reverend Victoria Loveland Cohen here, and I'd like to personally invite you to a new class that I'll be facilitating via Zoom from Unity Center of Peace, and it's called Absolute Abundance: Pathways to Permanent Prosperity. And abundance is an expansive term. It includes vibrant health, fulfilling relationships, work you love, and financial freedom. And as I always say, as expressions of the divine, all of those things are already ours. But our experience of it is very often restricted because of those ingrained opposing patterns that have us believing we don't deserve it or we can't have it for whatever reason. In this class, you will learn to release those old patterns once and for all. You will expand your awareness of all of the abundance that surrounds you and finally allow it to blossom in your life. This class is designed to be interactive and engaging and fun. But you got to register now because it starts really soon. Thursday, October 14th is our first class. So I see you there. And let's create some abundance together, okay?